Well, good, beautiful morning. You and I are going to have a quick talk about what happened to Fiona, our 2015 Fiat 500e. It's been kind of quiet on the full self-driving front, but if you follow my posts on YouTube, you'll have seen someone rear-ended us, and I think you'll be surprised at the damage we incurred versus what happened to them and the vehicle that hit us. So join me on the flip side as I give you a quick walk around on the before what happened to Fiona, and then we're going to go in and take it into Dutton's. They're going to get some work done. I'll tell you the story, and then we'll do an after video once the work's finished. So I'll catch you on the flip side here at Tesla, Northwest, and EVs. So I'm out here at beautiful Lake Erie. It's a balmy 21 degrees, and we are going to get some work done, or at least get an estimate done on Fiona, our 2015 Fiat 500e. What happened? Well, last week on Thursday, as my wife was taking my daughter to school, she got rear-ended by a driver going, about 25 miles an hour in, guess what? A Hummer H3. And the H3, and I'll pop a picture of it up here, was totaled. The gal had to have it towed away. We were able to drive the Fiat off. And now let's take a look and see what happened to our car. So there she is in all her glory. Sorry for the shaky camera work. So when the Hummer hit my wife, it pushed her into the vehicle in front of her. And as you can see, there is some minimal bumper damage done to Fiona on the passenger side. The main damage is to the rear. Very nice shot here. You can see that it's still pretty straight. I was worried the tires were going to be wrecked, but no. So we can first see our tail light quite clearly broken and damaged, as well as this side light here. And then as we move around, we can see that the rear hatch is just crumpled in. Bumper is missing. So are some of the ultrasonic sensors. And you can just see that this is caved in. It won't open at all. But this side here is looking pretty good. And no major damage to the driver's side. So overall, this 2015 Fiat 500e held up incredibly, incredibly well. We are going to make sure that we get some inspections done. So I insisted, and if you're an EV driver, make sure you do this. If you're in a collision, I insisted that farmers have them do a battery inspection. I want to make sure the Carfax, if I ever go to sell this, shows that, yes, it wasn't a collision, but we had everything checked out. There's no idiot lights. Everything seems to be working fine, but I really want to make sure that's happened. So always ask for a battery inspection, and we're going to get a rental while this one is in the shop. Be sure you insist on getting an EV as a rental. If you drive EV, that's what they should provide you if it's available. So I'm having a good experience. We're going to go up to Dutton's here. They're just up the hill, and we're going to get an estimate for the damage and repairs. And there's beautiful Lake Erie, or Mount Erie. What a gorgeous area. Last but not least, Fiat handles up well in the cold weather, even damaged like it is. We're getting along just fine. We lose about 25% of our range, but it's our in-town car. So with that, folks, I will just catch you on the flip side. Thank you so much for joining me here on this beautiful cold day, and I'll get some more FSD videos put out once version 12 is out, or there's some interesting routes. Please let me know in the comments any questions you guys have about the repair process. I want to keep you up to speed, and we'll do a review on whatever rental EV I get. All right, we'll catch you on the flip side. Thanks, and have a great day.